So previously we loaded data from database. So this is on our WordPress site, and we have to do this part. So we haven't added something yet. So to do that, you go to our source code, close everything. Okay, our pause. So change that one to 066. Adding detail page, and then we need to do two things. Okay, one thing is we need to create that guy. So to do that, to create a detail page, and then go to our WordPress site, WordPress backend, and then go to the pages. So click on that one, or you may click add new. So add new, you can click that guy. And then make sure what to add. No S. Okay. Just wait, and then the name should be, so don't put S or something like that. It should be case sensitive. So just publish. So we have this guy. So make sure if you have a spelling or typo, so make sure it's similar to this guy, exactly same. And then go back to our development project. So this is our guy, right? Just select on index. So it should be same level as index. So click this guy. It should be single dash. Spelling is important. Detail. The PHP, sorry. So we done this part, and then go to our source code. We will copy everything. Just copy that. Copy everything because it's new. And make paste. And then same as you share. So we try to pass the ID, right? We try to pass the ID, and then we try to load from. We try to load from database. If someone doesn't pass the ID, and then we will be redirect to home page, and then otherwise we will display the title, and then same as the. So just save this one. So I haven't saved it yet, so save it, and then go to index to PHP. So in here we have to add something in here. So we have to add inline PHP to save our time and typing and something. You just go to index, and then just copy this line 31. Line 31. So you select from here to here. 31. Copy that. Go back to our development. So this guy here, remove, delete, or backspace, paste, and then that's how we pass ID. So you knew the string concatenating, right? So we put a question mark. That means we trying to use the PHP. Get right. We trying to pass from URL, data from URL, and then that should be ID. So that's exactly at the top. And then this one is just preventing from SQL code injection, SQL injection. So like if you or code injection. So if you add JavaScript or something like that, it won't be executed. It will be ignored. So this guy is getting passing the data from database. Sorry, from the URL. So that's how we get there. Top. This one. So we try to check from URL and then try to get the ID, and then if we got something, so we execute. We try to load the ID from. Trying to load the data with the related ID, and we're trying to display it here. So that's everything. And then go back to our WordPress site and then just refresh. This is our homepage, right? You may delete this guy. Don't need that guy. Okay. Now let's see. So select detail page. Okay. So we go to this guy and then that guy. So something wrong. I will pause it and I'll come back. Sorry, the reason is go back here. That should be because this is not the WordPress block. That means it should be page. Single should use with WordPress block. So and then we are good to go. Finger cross. So if we click on here, so this is our detail page, and then I change a little bit something in. So you go back to setting. Sometimes if you have something problem, go to the partner links and then just change this one, so post name, and then just save changes. So because sometimes we need to update the partner links. So if you see this guy is good, sometimes if you are pages are not working, then you may do that one. That guy has to be pointed to the home page. So we'll fix that one. So go back to our, that should be inside header. Oh, by the way, I make it a little bit testing. So this is original. That's the same as the source code. And if you go inside the header and then go to our source code, that's better. Go inside header, see what we have. Yep, copy this line 33. Copy. If you select on here, and then it will copy the whole line, including, I believe, line break. Where are we? Yeah, are we? Okay. Let me see. I think it's this one. Yep. So line 33, delete, and then make a space and a paste. make it a little bit tidy, save, and then go back here. So because the header page is loaded from anywhere, we inherit at anywhere, so like you don't have to change in everywhere because we use only once. Okay, not this guy is good, so we need to change this guy as well. So you changed the guy, the other guy, so you knew how to do that, right? So I think this one has to be same as that guy. I don't really copy. Okay. So sorry, you need to refresh. Don't forget to refresh. Okay. So we got, this is our home page, and then if we go to click on detail, we will go to detail page, and then that's good. And then we have a minor change. We have some CSS issues on here. I will show you, so that is your challenge. So this guy is big, and then everything has to be equal. So like this guy is short, and then you trying to do that by using your CSS knowledge. So go back here, and then go to click on this guy. So we only have one more branch, and then this is for everything CSS. I already fixed everything, most of the thing. I believe whatever I see, I fix it, and then I add it as a 7. So you trying to challenge yourself. My objective is done because we create the, sorry, oh yeah, we create the plugin, and then we store our product inside. We store data in our database customly, and then we can edit the data, and then we can edit the data. We can store image on our server, on our WordPress server, and then we can load it from our WordPress theme. So this is custom theme. So whether if you follow along, or if you are jumping branch to branches, so you have a more knowledge about the power of WordPress, and then it's not using, you can use your plugin, and then you can manipulate it, and then you have a knowledge of how to do custom thing, and then everything. If you like this is a bootstrapful, so like you may, yeah, it should be easy for you. And go to our homepage. I'll show you a bunch of CSS things you have to do. So right click, this is Chrome. If you're using some other browsers, you need to figure it out. How can you do that? So how are we using this guy? So if you narrow down in responsive mode, so this is responsive, right? If you narrow down, maybe this is better. So if you scroll down, and then you need to fix the responsive. So this is a name you're trying to change by iPad Pro, so that's look bad. So you need to fix this one. Need to fix this one, and this is not bad. Okay, but this is quite big. So these are the adventurous things you have to do. So this is only the CSS part, and then Bootstrap 4 is already do heavy lifting for you. And make a challenge, trying to get it, and then you challenge yourself, and then it should be you will learn a lot of things rather than someone's doing something and then you're watching, you will forget. So same as you shared, this is our last tutorial. I believe I make a challenge for you for both plugin and then theme. I hope you learned something, and then if you need the template, how you start the both WordPress theme and then plugin. So just give me the reference at the down here. Okay, design, and then powered by my GitHub repo name, and then just reuse it, so you save you a lot of time, and then you learn something. So this is this may be your template, or this may be my template, so we save our time. I hope you learned something, and then I'll see you in future tutorial. I have some tutorial, so I haven't recorded yet, so I have a little bit interesting tutorial about JavaScript, so I try to challenge myself. So same as usual, technical glitch. Otherwise, please make something contribute to YouTube community, so we all can have benefit. Thank you very much. I will see you soon. Bye bye.